You know, I'm from the city that put the world on wheels. That same city that's always been filled with musicians and sound engineers who literally pioneered new waves and a multitude of musical genres that heavily influenced the music world that we know today. So, AudioKit came to pay us a visit. So here we are in Detroit. We're at the Detroit Techno Museum. And there's a lot of cool stuff in here. Doing some research.
The timing is still.
What Kelly had was talking about. She said her parents had never.
And it works just like the original 909, where it's got like the transient isn't tuned, so you can have like tune it up without that.
Even after all these years.
I think this is going to be a legendary app. It's like the 3 months, people are going to be, where'd that 909 go?
Coming into the limited edition series, introducing the AR909 drum machine by AudioKit. Now this one was made especially for electronic musicians, especially if you're into making hip hop, EDM, and even techno music. You're going to be able to achieve some amazing textures and rhythms from this app. Now, even though this app has no affiliation or no association with Roland, you're going to find that this workflow and this interface is very reminiscent and highly influenced by the original TR-909. So back again with AudioKit's clean, super simple, minimalistic design. We have this extremely intuitive user interface where everything is laid out and mapped out exactly where you need it so that you can get to your workflow quicker. So the step sequencer speaks for itself. It derived from a pre-existing workflow that is very familiar amongst beat makers. This makes it extremely easy to get a rhythm going and kind of jot down ideas as you're playing along with your composition. And of course, what makes it dope for me is that you have a pads tab so that you can tap in your notes as well. Just press record and keep building your beat. You even have the option at the very bottom where you can create up to 16 patterns with different rhythms and different beats. And toggling through those different patterns and those different beats seems super seamless, especially when you're in performance mode. You have the option to have the full screen view of your sequence, but at the same time, if you're in the flow, it also intuitively brings up this split screen view of all your parameters. So by default, the split screen brings up your core drivers of the beat, which instinctively will be the bass drum and the snare. This opens up the access to fine-tune the tune, the decay, and other articulations of what those two instruments can bring to a beat. You also have the Vibe It Out section, where you can control the shuffle, also known as the swing, as well as some analog warmth that you can add to the sound of the beat machine. You also have your master volume and your limiter section, which will have different articulations depending on how you fine-tune each instrument. Now that crusher tab, that's a whole nother beast in itself. automatable, you can add some real distortion to this by changing the bit rate and the bit depth and just really adding some life and some real texture into your beat. The AR909 also has its own built-in mixer so that you can go in and adjust each level or the panning the way you see fit for each individual drum sound. This is AudioKit's AR909 Beat Machine, the electronic musician's choice.